Hey friends, Tymo sent me their hair styling cream, and it's also a heat protectant and leave-in conditioner. This is going to be great for dry and damaged hair, and it helps with anti-frizz. I'm actually going to just use this on one side, and then we'll not put it on the other side to see how it works. They also sent me their hair dryer brush. This is a hot brush blow dryer. I've always wanted to try one of these. I have naturally curly hair, and it takes me forever to straighten and curl my hair. So I'm just sectioning it off. The one part has no cream and the other part does. This way it's easier to blow dry as well. This has 3 air speeds and 4 temperatures, and it can be adjusted. You can use this to straighten your hair, and you can use this to curl your hair. This is awesome. I love the swivel at the end, so this way you can turn your hair with ease. I also like the little handle at the end as well, so I can hold on and just turn. I'm actually really loving this. This is really going to be super easy for me, and highly recommend getting yourself one. This whole time took me probably about 10 minutes. You could also take off the head of this, and if you buy the attachments, you can also put other attachments on it. Look at that curl. Absolutely loving this. I made sure that my hair was probably about 50% dry before I did start using this. This is going a lot quicker. Definitely loving the shine as well. And look at this. This is hardly any frizz as well. Make sure you watch to the end so you can see the finished results. I absolutely love it. Anyway, I'm not going to talk through this whole video, but I do recommend you guys getting one. This is awesome. Highly recommend. Thanks again for sending me one, Tymo.